Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. You guys that read my blog maybe have seen that I also design, except from designing bags, I also design travel watch cases. And I've done a couple of them, or designed a couple of them. I really like them. They do their job, look good, everything. But this was a request from a customer, and this is something that I've thought of myself a couple of times, but I yet haven't got to it to make one. What the customer wanted was the leather travel case with size for big watches, and this is my own design with the separate separate compartments, and soft pillows. You can fit a big watch. Just let me. And you see the problem now that I just showed you. I'm gonna get to it later. So what you do, put your watch like this. Put it in your bag, perfect. But what most of us want is to have the watch case as a display as well. And usually you get a roll like this, and when you try to have it open, everything just rolls out, and yeah, it's not good for much except from having when you travel. But what I did here, you see the buttons. First of all, we have a flat surface so it won't roll, and the buttons, let me show you how this works. Now you have it as a display. So the buttons make the lid stay open, and the flat surface make the watch case stand still. So here you have, sorry for the plate, but like this maybe. So it stays in place. The lid stays in place. You can fit big watches. This is a 44mm Panerai. As you can see, the 47mm will be no problem at all. And separating the watches from each other so they won't hit each other, which one with this absolute does when I have big watches. And that's it. So this is my design for travel watch case for big watches that also works as a stand, a display stand. And then the customer also wanted, this is not my design, just a simple single watch case when you're traveling. Usually you get this when you send your watch to do service. So you just put it around this. I don't want to close it. And like this, and you're good to go. And of course, as usual, premium leather, suede on the inside, looks great. The button doesn't disturb the design at all. Brass buckles or buttons. And of course, when you close it, you use the buttons so it stays closed. I like this a lot. I hope the customer will be very happy with it. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Please subscribe. And now I'm going to go to my next design.